Hi to everyone, my name is Mauricio Duce. I'm a law professor of the School of Law of Diego Portales University in Santiago, Chile. And I want to make you an invitation to participate in the second Michele Taruffo Girona Evidence Week that will be held in June 2025. But particularly, I want to invite you to participate in the workshop that I will direct called Proof and Error, Different Analytical Perspective in Criminal Justice that will be held in English. In this workshop, we will analyze from different perspectives the impact of the use of evidence in the causation or the production of errors in criminal justice. We will have Gary Edmond, law professor of the Faculty of Law and Justice of the University of New South Wales in Australia, Giulia Lasagni, law professor from University of Bologna, Italy, Richard Leo, law professor from the Law School of Law of University of San Francisco in US, and Flavia Carbonell, law professor from the School of Law of University of Chile in Santiago. The workshop will be very interesting and will be very important for us if you participate on it.